UGC NET June 2024. Public Notice. Advertisement date, the 20th of April 2024. Subject, opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for UGC NET June 2024. The NTA has been entrusted by the University Grants Commission, UGC, with the task of conducting UGC NET, which is a test to determine the eligibility of Indian nationals for award of Junior Research Fellowship and appointment as Assistant Professor, appointment as Assistant Professor and admission to PhD and admission to PhD only. In Indian universities and colleges, the National Testing Agency, NTA, will conduct UGC NET June 2024 for Junior Research Fellowship and eligibility for Assistant Professor and admission to PhD in 83 subjects in OMR, pen and paper, mode. The schedule of UGC NET June 2024 are as follows. A. Submission of online application form starts on the 20th of April 2024 to the 10th of May 2024 up to 11:50 p.m. B. Last date for submission of examination fee, through credit the 11th of May 2024 to the 12th of May 2024 up to 11:50 p.m. Card, debit card, net banking, UPI. Correction in the particulars in online application form the 13th of May 2024 to the 15th of May 2024 up to 11:50 p.m. Announcement of City of Exam Center to be intimated later. Downloading of admit card from NTA website to be intimated later. Date of examination the 16th of June 2024. Center, date and shift is indicated on admit card. Display of recorded responses and answer keys to be announced later on the website. Website https://ugcnet.nta.ag.in/www.enter.ag.in. Online form fees. A. General, unreserved 1,150 rupees. B. General EWS, OBC NCL 600 rupees. C. SC, ST, PWDRs 325. Important instructions. 1. Candidates can apply for UGC NET June 2024 through the online mode only through the website https://ugcnet.nta.ag.in/. The application form in any other mode will not be accepted. Only one application is to be submitted by a candidate. In no circumstances candidates will be allowed to fill more than one application form. Strict action will be taken, even at a later stage, against such candidates who have filled in more than one application form. Candidates must strictly follow the instructions given in the information bulletin and on the NTA website. Candidates not complying with the instructions shall be summarily disqualified. Candidates must ensure that the email address and mobile number provided in the online application form are their own or parents, guardians only, as all information, communication will be sent by NTA through email on the registered email address or SMS on the registered mobile number only. 5. In case any candidate faces difficulty in applying for UGC NET June 2024, she may contact on 011-4075900, 011-69227700 or email at ugcnet@nta.ag.in for further clarification related to the UGC NET June 2024. The candidates are advised to visit the official websites of NTA, www.nta.ag.in, and https://ugcnet.nta.ag.in/. For the latest updates. Thank you for watching.